Important questions in surgical oncology. Cancer cachexia syndrome. Role of nutritional supplementation in cancer patients. Role and rationale of lymphadenectomy in solid tumors. Describe various methods of sentinel lymph node detection. Prehabilitation and its advantages in cancer surgery. Then ERAS protocol for colorectal cancer surgery. Field cancerization. Then margin assessment methods in cancer surgery. Mechanism of viral carcinogenesis with examples. HPV vaccination in cervical cancers. Radiosensitizers and their role in radiation oncology practice. Proton beam therapy. What are TKIs, tyrosine kinase inhibitor? Discuss their mechanism of action, indications for use and toxicity. Define pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics and pharmacogenomics. Phases of anti-cancer drug development. Then Clavin-Dindo classification for surgical morbidity assessment. Classification of surgical site infection and principles of surgical site infection management. Principles of palliative surgery. Principles of cancer pain management. General principles in neoadjuvant therapy in rectal cancers. Role of neoadjuvant therapy in sphincter salvage. What are the risk factors for endometrial cancers? Molecular based classification of endometrial carcinoma. Current evidence for minimal invasive surgery for carcinoma endometrium. Significance of HPV in head and neck cancers. Difference in management and outcome of HPV related squamous cell carcinoma of head neck as compared to non-HPV head neck squamous cell carcinoma. Discuss bronchopulmonary segments. Current TNM staging for lung cancer. Discuss adjuvant treatment for a patient who underwent surgery with tumor size 5 cm and a single N1 positive node. Staging systems of hepatoblastoma. Management of hepatoblastoma in pediatric populations. Workup and management of carcinoma of an unknown primary. Current status of tools available for risk assessment for adjuvant therapy following surgery in breast cancer. Assessment and workup of an asymptomatic 32-year-old sister of a 35-year-old patient with history of breast cancer in mother. Discuss the options for limb salvage in a patient with locally advanced synovial sarcoma of lower limb. Briefly discuss the options and factors affecting management decision for patient of synovial sarcoma presenting with a metachronous pulmonary metastasis. Mandibular reconstruction. Management of anastomotic leak following esophagectomy. Indications and regimes for chemotherapy for testicular tumors. Types and indications of RPLND, retroperitoneal lymph node dissection. What is anterior skull base? Recent advances in skull base surgery. Complications of skull base surgery. What is transanal total mesorectal excision? TATME. Describe the procedure. Describe the evidence supporting it. Then embryo cryopreservation, semen cryopreservation, ovarian transposition. Genetic counseling, indications, component of a counseling session, issues in cancer genetic counseling. Clinical and therapeutic significance of ITC, isolated tumor cell and micrometastasis. What is HIPEC and EPIC? Role of HIPEC in various cancers. Describe the evidence for therapeutic indications for HIPEC in advanced epithelial ovarian cancer. Mention the main approaches in cancer chemotherapy, cancer vaccines and current evidence. What is next generation sequencing in cancer and its application in clinical oncology? Describe comprehensive molecular characterization of gastric adenocarcinoma. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy HbO2 OT, general principles and mode of action of HbOT, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, its technical details, oncological application of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Classify skin adnexal tumors, mention the layers of skin and tumors arising from each layer. Mohs micrographic indication and techniques. What is anterior skull base? Recent advances in skull base surgery. Complication of skull base surgery.